Are you ready? By the way I ask, I'm not sure I am. What are we waiting for? When does it ever turn out the way you planned? I'm not sure that it can.
Hi, baby. I am your daddy. I predict it's a boy. Boy? Definitely it's a boy. I know it's a boy.
Hi, I'm the Nana for the boy baby. And welcome to our family, the Ramcharan family and the Hiralal family.
Hi, baby. I'm your nanny. I know it's a boy.
Hello, baby Hiralal. I think that you are a girl. I'm doing this because your mom and dad forced me to.
Hi, baby Hiralal. I am your aunt, and I think you are a boy.
I am Mama Dada. I'm the youngster's grandfather. Hope. And he is a boy.
Hi, baby. I'm your aunt. I'm guessing you're gonna be a boy.
You say very well then.
You're ready to know the gender.
Yes, I am. I'm scared but happy. So, should we say what we think it is?
What do you think it is?
Okay, I thought it was going to be a boy this entire pregnancy. But then after Dr. Bora's scan, I felt like it's a girl. After I noticed
I know it's
it's a girl.
So I
So,
was gonna block your eyes.
I don't know. Let's just cut it. We finding out. Oh, it's a girl.
It's a girl. Yeah, babe.
Yes, I am.
Me too.
Yes. Oh, it's so good. You're gonna love that.
That was great.
Everyone's gonna be so shocked.
Yeah.
They're all thinking it's a boy. It's a girl.
It's a girl.
In a way it feels we've only just begun, that we're not the only ones.
1, 2, 3.
Farewell.